So, what happened?
I broke it. Axle has snapped, and it's snapped right near the centre. All the fragments have gotten into the diff centre. There's metal in it.
This is what's left of the axle.
The piece that's snapped off inside. This is what it's supposed to look like. That's what it looks like.
Alright, so here we are. Made it home, and it's 3 days later, finally getting around to it. She's up on jack stands. Kim has decided that she's going to pull it all out since she broke it.
I'm going to try.
Got a new shaft, we're picking one up on Friday.
I'm going to Newcastle to pick one up.
Got to return the other one to my mate. Going to send the diff in to Newcastle Gearbox and Diff, and hopefully it's not too far gone. Hey, a bit chilly.
Let's go. Is that right?
Ugga-dug. But it's square. Yeah.
What?
You won't have enough room
Like
to. Yeah.
that
Just so both. No. There we go.
Yay.
35 off. After you take the tyre off, you got the caliper. There's 2 bolts holding the caliper on. That one there. That one at the back.
Oh, okay.
And that one at the top.
This one. Oh, it's actually really not that bad.
And then pull backwards to the back. There you go. There's a little bit of chance. Okay, go and try.
No.
So you want to go flip it 180 upwards. And then up. Like that. And then you turn it and sit it in out of the way.
Okay. Where does it like come off? Oh. It comes off
You
there.
need to have it.
Right.
There you go.
Easier.
Just find back when the drone is fired up.
Sweetie, come here, Bobby.
I have my assistant.
Hello, I have my assistant. Yes.
Something like that.
So how do they fall out if you're literally holding it upside down?
No, if you go sideways.
Oh.
Yeah, they're just sitting in two channels. Sitting like this, they're all good.
Yeah.
But if you go this way, falls out. Vertical. Yep.
Don't! Get away from me! I want your help.
This one's a bit stiff.
Don't stop it!
Sticky.
Stop it! There. Slowly. Ha!
Next step is taking the bolts that hold the hub in. They're on pretty tight.
No, no, no! Stop! No, I got it.
Shit.
Not that bad.
That bad.
Lovely assistant. It's usually my job. Sad you weren't the one that broke it.
Wow.
Haha.
I'm yet to break anything. Doors and mirrors is about all I've done.
That's it.
There it is.
Blends in really well. And that one as well. Can't quite get it.
What I'm going to do.
Yep.
And then there's a way you can get more leverage on it. So you can find where it sits and then you use that one to pull it.
Okay. Okay. Back my way. And then
Because Ben and I done them up, so.
it's quite easier when you. I think that's.
So then once it's loose you can.
I was just making sure it was loose. Oh my god. You good?
Yeah. Just gotta make sure that's straight, otherwise you punch yourself in the leg.
I could get her. Yeah, it was good.
Be worth doing.
GG. Not a good assistant. do that now or?
So you might be able to wiggle it and pull straight out.
Where am I pulling from? Here?
Yep, anywhere, wherever you can grab. But there's good.
Just.
Yep, give it a wiggle, up and down, left, right. There you go. There's a seal in there, so don't drag it.
Yuck.
So this here, the good side. So you want to sit that just in out of the way a bit. Now for the other side. There's 6 bolts on the back flange.
Can I like move this up a little bit?
Yeah. You won't have too much length because of the hose.
Oh, I got cramp in my leg.
Caliper is falling.
I can't go much further than what it does.
Yeah. I'm back for the rest of them.
Thanks, Gigi. God, you're helpful.
All backwards. Yep. There you go.
What way do you think I'm going? Oh, my leg. Holy. I need to like stand up for it. And you're not helping. Your life's a cramp. You're annoying.
Lift booty. That's it, booty.
Luxury.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, a lot.
Have you seen the chick that like? It's gonna get
Yeah,
dirty.
I can take the cover.
It's probably a good idea. I didn't do that.
No.
Stop.
Almost.
Like that. Don't touch it.
Up like that.
Don't touch it.
Spin. Now go down. No. Angle up. There we go.
Yeah.
She's got it.
You know, like toddlers that put all the shapes in the boxes
Yeah.
and stuff.
That's how you fell.
Yes.
Oh, that's surprising.
So neat. Next time I break a car, we should do a Q&A fixing car.
Oh, she's been keeping her pinky in my shed.
Yeah, I know, it's a bit cute.
Alright, pull that one out. Yeah. Okay, that's better. So the seal I'm talking about is right there. So if you're changing out often, which you shouldn't be, that seal can get damaged if you're not careful. So it was the short side that broke. See how those splines have started twisting already? That leads to snappage. That's probably good for nothing better than a spare. So whenever you're pulling your rear diff out, you want to make sure the top bolt can come out before, just in case you can't get any oil back into it. You're gonna undo that one there, Kim.
Do you want the tape?
Gigi, come.
No, got it.
Yeah, you just got to make sure that's all the way in
Is
as
it?
best you can. Slightly.
Hold it.
Yeah. And then take it out and readjust. And eventually it'll get like semi-loose, and then you just got to do it with your fingers.
Touch it.
You're just gonna, or do you want me to do it?
No.
Okay. And you want, if you push the plug up as you're unscrewing it, you'll feel it click, and it won't drop all the oil straight away. There we go. So the plug. So we changed the diff oil on the way home as well.
It smells like
Little magnet here collects all of the crusties. What's it smell like, Kim?
nail stuff, but not nail polish remover.
Like the acrylic stuff.
Yeah, but like really cheap.
Do you want to come undo this one now?
What one's that?
Don't have to. That's just the breather. Let it drain quicker.
You don't have to move. Don't smack the camera.
Not
Oh, that's
smacking.
snazzy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wow.
Alright. 2 diff plugs out.
Can I have a rag? Thanks. Seamless. Absolutely seamless.
Alright, we have readjusted. And Kim is Going to undo drive shaft now.
Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. Can I pull it yet?
Yeah, you pull it. Keep going. Yeah. There you go.
Hello. Okay, same thing for all the others.
Yep, just make sure the ugg
Yeah.
is in line with the drive shaft.
Oh, it's in there. Uh-huh.
At least you got plenty of room underneath it. Imagine working on a little fast car.
At least it's fast.
It's in the bowl. Now that you're gonna have to push the drive shaft backwards. Might have to give it a couple of taps, maybe. Yeah, probably gonna have to give it a tap.
Am I hitting it a certain way?
You're just gonna tap it while you pull back on it.
Like,
Yeah.
like that?
Give me the hammer.
No. You tell me what to do.
Pull back on the
Get it
drive
out.
shaft
Yeah.
and tap around.
But I don't have to hit it a certain way.
Oh, not really, because it slides on. Just make sure you smack this bit, not this bit. There you go.
I'm gonna go through here.
Yep. Wherever will get it up nice and high. Probably gonna need two. Now, for all of those bolts around the outside of the diff.
You ready for my manliness?
Yeah.
Okay, that's all of them.
Now for the really fun bit. We get everything out of the way
Uh-huh.
and watch you drop my diff on the ground.
Why are you so doubtful?
It's not fun. It's very awkward.
Well, I wasn't
Trust me,
expecting to have fun.
Lift and jiggle. Should move.
Ow.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't
Watch
need the
it.
pink hat. Someone give me the pink helmet. I don't even know where to grab it.
That's the problem.
No.
It's moving. You want to get your strong hand under the center there.
You ready?
And get it from here. I'll go right here for you. So you can see the pain in your eyes when you lift it out.
Oh, thanks.
There you go.
Oh, team effort. Are you good?
Kim has successfully removed a diff. I have a Harrop E-locker in my diff, which has so far been bulletproof. This side's alright, so this was the good side. You can see in there, all the splines are still straight. The other side is where the old axle blew up. So, it's tore out that bearing, and the first 5mm of the splines is no good. Hopefully all the gears are still okay.
If they're not, we'll get the diff people to fix it.
So that'll be a new crown and pinion gear and possibly new locker. So solid $3 grand.